Slime. We need slime for currency, for food, weaponry, to revive from the dead. Slime Corporation dedicates itself to the research and study of slime. Praise be the endless war.